Hello traders and welcome in another video. In this video we will go our TRENDMETER suite. So let's start. The TRENDMETER suite consists of 5 different trend indicators: parabolic SAR, GAN halo activator, Mesa phase indicator, higher timeframe moving averages, and our own custom trend indicator. They are followed from top to bottom. On the top of TRENDMETER there are circles which are showing the average direction of all other meters, for a better visual representation of the current price trend. The TRENDMETER suite is very easy to use. When the majority of the meters turn green, it is a sign the market is heading up, and when the majority of the meters turn red, it is a sign the market is going down. The user has the option to select how many meters must align for a signal to show, out of 5. Let's check those settings and how to customize entry points. Go to Settings and then Inputs. Here we can set the number of indicators that has to be trending in same direction in order to indicate signal. Default is set to 3. The higher number you chose, less signals will appear, but they will be more efficient. The indicator also has the ability to set up alerts when the selected number of meters turns green or red. This feature is also signaled by the red or green triangles on the top or bottom of the chart. Or you can simply watch circles on the top. I recommend to use TRENDMETER with some trend lines and our AutoFib tool. Let's check an example on US dollar chart versus Japanese yen 4-hour chart. Here we can see that we had a smaller downtrend. Our indicators have recognized that and started coloring in red. Once our condition with 3 aligned indicators has been confirmed, the signal has popped on our screen, red triangle, and some more negative price action followed. Next one popped as green and huge positive action followed. This is it. Short but sweet. See you in next video.